Hi, welcome to the Quick Method. So let's talk about what the Cursor AI is and how it can make your life easy, especially if you're a programmer or you are a beginner in the programming field. It can do magic for you because you don't need to, learn everything now. You just have to have a good idea of overall the programming thing, and then you don't have to worry about, writing all the codes and doing all that hard work that people used to do in the past. And now things are quick and easy. So let me show you some overview of this platform, so how it is used. So basically it's called Cursor AI. So this is their website, and basically what it is that it auto completes your next edit. So let's say if you are generating your code and you're here and you want to do something, if you write a function or anything, it just auto detects that what your next step is going to be. Okay, so let's say this is the example here. As you can see that Cursor sees your recent changes, and then it can predict what you are going to do next, and it auto writes that code for you. So it's very simple and easy. So the next function is that you can do multi-line edits. So that means that if you have to edit something and you edit it in the one line, so it auto detects that you have to do it on all the lines, so it just does that for you automatically. You don't have to edit each and every line again and again. So that's like really relieving moment for all the programmers there, because before that it has been a hard. You are always struggling with small errors and things. And then now it's smart rewrites. So if you are just carelessly typing, which everybody wants to do, because we don't want to be so careful of commas and everything in the programming, but you have to be. But now things have changed. So with AI, thanks to AI, you can basically write carelessly, and then it will fix all your mistakes that you are making while typing. So it auto detects everything. So that's a huge benefit for all the programmers out there. And now then you have the Cursor prediction, as I have already told you, that basically it can predict so what your next code is and where you will navigate to. So let's say if you have completed a block, and then where you will navigate, you don't have to scroll, it will automatically take you there. So that's again a great function. And then you can chat with it. Basically you can give it prompts and it will write codes for you, and those codes are like really good. It can detect everything what you have on your background, what are you doing right now. So you can tell them everything, that this part of the program is ready and we need to do this, we need to execute that, and it will give you the code, and then you can go through it and you can make of course you can make changes if you want. But overall it makes your life easier, and it is very smart. So the people who have used it basically they say that they can develop an application in few hours. So in fact there was one guy who was developing a whole application in 60 minutes. So that's like very great and unbelievable also. So let's check out their packages. So what are they offering? Okay, so these are the packages they are offering. Basically I was using the free method. So basically I was using the free version of it, and it was working great. So you can do a lot with the free one. So you have the 2-week trial, that is a pro trial, so you can use all the features in that. And then you have basically 2000 completions, so it can auto complete 2000 times. And then you have to buy the pro version, and it has 50 slow premium requests. So basically what you're requesting or chatting to the software, it gives auto gives you the code. You can do that for 50 times, and then you have to go for the pro. But I would recommend going for the pro, because it's really worth it. Like if you're a programmer, or if you do it for for the whole month you're doing it. So paying $20 per month is nothing compared to the ease you're getting, the facility you're getting. So here you have unlimited completions, and then you have 500 fast premium requests per month. So these are like as you can see here, we have only 50, and here we have 500. So that's like more than enough for a programmer. And then you have unlimited slow premium requests, and then you have 10 mini uses per day. So then you have the business one. So it is for like bigger agencies or the people who have teams working. So basically you can use team billing, you can enforce, you have all these features here, but you have the privacy mode as well, and then you use the admin dashboard to manage everything. So basically these are their packages, and these are the monthly packages, and then if you go into yearly, you save 20%. So basically they give you 20% off on every package. So the pricing is really good for now. So it may be in future it will get some way costlier, but right now they are promoting it, so you can use that as much as you can. So I think you should take advantage of this opportunity. So that was the basic introduction of Cursor AI. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.